up, guys? It's Friday, and we're at Ryan's shop, so this is where we mainly shoot our videos. A little smoky in here. Connor just picked this up. You guys saw that already in this video, or maybe it was last video. I don't know. But we have Ryan over here, as you can see.
We got her in. We got her in now, Connor.
He's trying to take the seat off. I don't know why.
It was unattached, and I reattached it.
Oh, you reattached.
Buddy's ready to go. Yeah, buddy. I might as well let the girls go.
Oh, thank God. And I finally got my hat, because Buddy over here so rudely gave one to Ryan before me, but whatever. Who's your best employee? You're looking at him. But trying to figure out how to take off this stupid duck hood.
You're stupid.
You're stupid. So why we take off the hood?
Get rid of this. Get rid of this big freaking beast right here. You might as well take these.
That was great. Made great there by Skidoo. You see that? One little bump and she's gone.
They didn't give me the screws. Don't listen to them. No, this is what 18 grand gets you. This is what 14 or 16. No, that's the thing. 20 grand with accessories right here, though. Well, we're not counting the accessories.
So yeah, this is.
There you go. Look at the side, like good side panel. Flat black hood. Like, come on now, Polaris. Unreal. Unreal. Check out the new front. Did you see the new bumper I got?
No.
Check this sucker out. Got some more blue on the front.
Oh, that look neat.
So that clips in there.
Just how you didn't. There you go. So we've been at it. How long you guys been at this?
2 minutes tops.
2 minutes. I've been here for 10.
Oh,
2 minutes working on this. So.
Is that how you take that off?
Yeah, you gotta undo those. Good job. You gotta do that. Yep. There's one on the other side. This sled is jump. Oh. Well, that's what you gotta do. Mom's calling you. Let me put her on speaker. Hello?
Yeah, we're going for something to eat then.
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
We'll probably get pizza.
Are you going somewhere tonight?
Just down the slice of Italy.
What do you mean? To go to eat or drink?
Yeah, drink.
No.
Probably not.
No.
Really?
Well, you know what, though? I guess we could since you said really like that.
Well, no, I'm just shocked that you're not doing anything.
Do you want to come with?
No.
Donna, you can come with.
No, I'm good.
Come on, Donna.
No. So you're busy working on the sled?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, let me know if you're going somewhere later.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna say love you to your mom. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? You can say love you. I was.
This thing is pissing me off.
Doesn't mean you can't say hi to your mom and say love you.
You want to close the door and do something?
Yeah, close the door, Mikey. It's a little nippy here. Oh. Since Buddy started his sled over here, got a little cold in here.
I don't think this thing.
It's gotta come. Just stay tuned, everybody. Ski loops.
Put on the ski loops here for Yonkers Sled.
Wink got his wrap rolled out now. We have the heaters going, so that's why we weren't taping. But Wink's gonna put his yeah, you're gonna be in the video.
Sure.
Look at that.
Run GGB on that.
Ryan, what we got going on over here? Yo, how's it going over here too? So Ryan got a skid plate, I believe, on. Not quite. There's a few more. But him and Connor. But watch out.
Oh! Take it easy! Yo, why don't we just get freaking 2 chairs on there, put the skis on the chairs?
Yeah, do Connor's idea.
You got half the fucking zombie up part, you better be like, no, not quite. Oh my god. You fuck off. You ain't even getting high enough. Fuck me. Are you gonna move so I can fucking do it? You do it. No, you're not there yet. No, my side, my side is. Tony, oh, I got one phone. Hey, you hold it. Let me get another one quick. God,
Ryan.
I've never seen such a project.
Let's go check on Park here. How's it coming? How big is it? Small.
Guess my answer wasn't fucking good enough. Right there's what I'm looking for. Or one fucking more than one inch, you piece of shit. Oh, this is it. Hey, this thing's a magnet. This thing.
Well, it's sticking to that. I can't get that washer.
You get those loose on me right now? This freaking
Try the bolt nut you have. Oh, it might work.
gonna stick to fucking everybody and their brother down here.
I don't think he finds it. This thing's lost. Why'd you drop it, buddy? Poor.
Wow, that fucking thing's on there.
Because you fucking wanted to.
Right? Piss off.
My name Parker. I smash.
Say I'm a bitch for not going out? That's the fucking reason. You're coming out. No, I'm not.
Yo, Park, why don't you got a new sled?
We're not going out tomorrow. Where are we going? The post. No.
Park ain't going to fish.
I got things to fucking
He ain't doing
Like
shit
what?
tomorrow.
Yeah, well.
You gotta wait.
Maybe I'll
gonna
be the
sit
post.
around and wait. Is what he's gonna
It
do.
depends.
Hess, what do you think of that?
About what?
About him.
Huh?
About him.
Put the camera on.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hope that I get this thing back together before Snodeo. And we'll see you there.